In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 very common English mistakes, and I'll also show you how to fix them. So the first mistake is very common. The life is beautiful. That's incorrect. The correct phrase is actually life is beautiful. So there is no the. This is confusing because in a lot of other languages, there is an article in front of life. For example, in Italian, it's la vita. In French, it's la vie. But in English, there is no article in front of life here in this phrase because we're talking about life in general. So it's just life is beautiful. Life in general is beautiful. But it is actually correct to say the life in other situations, but the meaning changes. For example, the life I have now is beautiful. So I'm talking about the specific life that I'm living now, not the life I was living 5 years ago. So I'm talking about this specific chapter in my life. The life I'm living now, the life I have now is beautiful. And the same rule also applies to other words. For example, the word people. People are friendly. In general, I am not talking about any specific people, just people in general. The people in this town are friendly. So here I need the because I'm talking specifically about the people who live in this town. Education is important. Education in general. So there is no the. The education I received was excellent. So here I'm talking about the specific education that I received, not education in general. So that's why it's the education. Love is powerful. Love in general, the love between them is very strong. So here I'm talking about the specific love between the specific people. So the love. The next mistake is very, very common. Can you tell me where is the bank? This is actually an indirect question. To explain this simply, an indirect question is a question that's inside another sentence. So can you tell me is your sentence? It's a question, and there is another question inside it. Where is the bank? But when you put it inside another question or sentence, the word order needs to change. So it needs to be, can you tell me where the bank is, not where is the bank? Here's another example. He asked me where the toilet is, not where is the toilet. So your main sentence is he asked me, and there is a question inside that sentence, which is where is the toilet? But because the question is inside the sentence, the word order needs to change. So he asked me where the toilet is. And the final mistake, I did a mistake. That's incorrect. You need make. So I made a mistake. And you just need to memorize it. There is no rule about it. There are some other phrases that you need to memorize with make and with do. So let's look at some examples. To make a mistake, to make a decision, to make a suggestion, to make a plan, and some phrases with do, to do your homework, to do some work, to do exercise, to do business, and to do the dishes. Don't forget to download your free English grammar booklet from the video description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!